All right, all right, all right. Simplify complex fractions number 10. Because you're going to learn today. Here's our goal. Our goal is to get into this form right here. AB over CD, because we know this is complex fractions formula, and what we can do with that is take the numerator, leave it the way it is, and then multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So our goal is to get this mess right here into that form. Well, the good news is it's already half done, isn't it? Right? This piece looks pretty good, doesn't it? So down here, when I'm looking at the denominator, this fraction in the denominator has its own denominator of x, and this one has its own denominator of 2, doesn't it? So we want this to be 2x, don't we? And this to be 2x. So we're going to multiply this side by what? We're going to multiply that side, yeah, it's really smart, seriously, by x over x, right? That's why we're allowed to do it, because x over x is 1, right? And then this side we're going to multiply by what? 2, right, 1 using 2 over 2. Excellent. So 2 over 2 here, right? And then when we multiply, we'll get 2 times 6 is 12, right? And 2 times x is 2x, isn't it? Yes? Okay. And then this, when we multiply 1 times x, we'll just get x here, won't we? And then, of course, 2 times x is 2x. Is that right? Is that okay? And then, of course, we can put this together now, right? Just always keeping in mind that if we have once we have common denominators, we don't add the denominators, we just leave them the same, right? It just tells us what size our pieces are in. So our pieces are in sevenths. And how many sevenths do we have? Well, we have 1 plus 2. We have 3 of them, but all we did was add the 1 plus the 2, right? I'm telling you that because we look here and we have 12 minus x. Well, it's a variable, so we can't do the subtraction, right? So 12 minus x is just what? It's just 12 minus x, which seems a little, it's 12 minus x. All over what? 2x. Right? All we did was change this around. So now we have this in form. A over b, c over d. So this is now in this form, isn't it? So Sid, what are you going to do next? Exactly. Good job. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite this. The numerator stays the same, right? So we're going to take 12 over 2x plus 2. I said 12, but I wrote 15. I'm gifted. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you very much. No, really.
You're going to learn today. All right, all right, all right. Can't believe you guys say that in class. It's really embarrassing. It's really weird. You're on, yeah, they can see you.
No, they can't.
I swear they can't see you.
So we're going to take this piece at the bottom, aren't we? We're going to take its reciprocal, right? We're going to take the reciprocal there. So the denominator was 2x, and now that becomes the numerator. And then we take 12 minus x, which was the numerator, and becomes the denominator. And we do our multiplication, and we get 30x, don't we? Over. And look, you guys, you don't have to do this multiplication, right? You can just leave it. So you can just put 2x plus 2 times 12 minus x, unless your professor tells you otherwise. All right? Good enough? Say that again.
Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.